Hey guys! This week I've been getting a lot of questions from my students about how and when to use the word the. Do you know when to use it? Do you know how to use it? If not, today this video is for you. So today, let's talk about some of the ways and a few examples that we can use the word the. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we should talk about is there are two pronunciations of the. And the first pronunciation that you just heard me use, the, is used before consonants. The. So for example, the book, the car, the movie, or the camera. All right, and the other pronunciation is the. The. So the can be used before vowels. For example, the apple, the egg. Okay? So now that we know these two pronunciations, let's get into a few examples and a few ways that you can use the in a sentence. Let's try it out. Okay, so the first way that we are going to use the today is when a singular noun is representing an entire class. For example, the human race. We're all a part of it. The human race. All right, the next way that we are going to use it is when you're referring to something or someone who has already been mentioned before. For example, did you remember the restaurant that we went to last year when we were in California? Or did you remember the man that we spoke to last week? What was his name? The next way that we can use the is when referring to a particular person or thing. For example, he is the point guard for Team USA basketball. Or another example, the rice that we get from my wife's family is much better than the rice that we buy at the store. The can also be used to refer to journals or newspaper. For example, the New York Times, the Los Angeles Times, or the Wall Street Journal. And the fifth way that we can use the today is when we refer to an imaginary geographical line. For example, the border between California and Mexico, or the border between Nevada and Arizona. Okay guys, so if you've made it this far, I hope you got some good benefit and this is helpful for you. If it was, how about please give me a like and share this with somebody else that you think this will help. If you are interested at all in learning about how to be a little more fluent when you're speaking in English, how about check out the video that I did last week. It should be somewhere right here. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you.